Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Danny, New Brunswick on this RCI X9. Danny, we got it all ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, as well as the amp on off switch, a little bit of wideband receive, and this joker's ready to go. These are beautiful radios. These are close in line behind my favorites, which my favorites are the Strikers. These are very close second and third. So let's get right to it. The amp switch is on. The amp switch right back here, Danny. Our power all the way down. 100-watt slug. And that thing will roll on down there pretty low to about 2 watts, just in case you decide to run an amplifier, you have full adjustability. About 30 watts all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. About 55 bird. 250 watt slug in average or in peak. And about 145 PEP. Alright, Danny, it's ready to come to you, man. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.